Hello, my name is Darren, and I will be going over Unit 4 for Computer Science A. So for while loop, so basically you'll have a conditional here. So in this case, it's playing a game is equal to true. So while this boolean is always true, this method will be always run. For loop, so this will have three set different statements. So first we declare an iteration, so int num is equal to 0, and then next we declare a condition, so therefore as long as num is less than 10, it'll continue to run. And then this is an iteration, so every time this is run, num will increment by 1. So when this code is run, it'll start at 0 and then print all values from 0 to 9. So developing algorithms with strings. So what's great about for loops and while loops is that you can utilize Java string methods and then be able to create some complex algorithms. So here we have string name John, and then this will just provide 0 to 2, so 0 1 2, and it'll just print out JO. So here there's also something you can do called a nested for loop, where you just have a for loop within a for loop. So if this was run for 0, then this for loop will run 5 times before I increments into 1, and then it runs 5 times, and this will create like a right triangle out of asterisk stars. Thank you.